Hi friends, a very surprising news during coronavirus. As you can read, 72 engineering colleges, 52 MBA schools down shutters. So I am also reading with you and I am also equally shocked the way you are. First of all, there are hardly any jobs during coronavirus, and this news suggests that there is oversupply of engineers and MBA people in the market. So my friends, don't try to do engineering in Chota Mota college or MBA from any other Tom, Dick and Harry kind of institutes, and I would rather suggest not to do BDS physiotherapy also. So first of all, let us focus on the news. Pan India 72 undergraduate postgraduate engineering colleges, 58 MBA schools and 71 diploma granting institutes and polytechnics are among those that will be down shutters. This will result in reduction of 34,500 approximate seats in 2020-21. And many other colleges have trimmed their capacity. So already approximately 70,000 seats have been shaved off, pruned. So the All India Council for Technical Education has approved starting of 164 new colleges, beside opening any increase in capacity of 1,301 colleges. But many of these will not start this year. Many don't have facilities online. These are news published in Times of India on 6th of August, Friday. So my dear friends, since I am from the medical side, I am a doctor myself, and I will request many of new buddies not to go for BDS physiotherapy, because many BDS and physiotherapy doctors are unemployed. And if you want to do MBBS, do it from government aided colleges where you are selected on merit. There is no point going to any medical college on the basis of money, on the basis of capitation fee, or even paying private fees. So even if you are getting selected in a private college, nowadays fees for MBBS range from 1 lakh to 3 lakh per annum. So the whole course itself costs you somewhere around 15-20 lakhs, even if you go on merit in private colleges, and which is not worth it. Forget paying capitation fees to the tune of around 50 to 70 lakhs for an MBBS seat. Even paying 1 crore, 2 crore for radiology is not worth it. So you can discuss medical things later on, but for now this is fair enough. So be careful while you're choosing any field after 12th.